CCW, DIY design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And again, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guys, today I'm participating in another collaboration. And this one is the Gifted, Thrifted, and D's Tablescape collaboration. And that D stands for DIY. Now, the host of this collaboration is the lovely Shangie. Shangie's channel is Shangie Living Life to the Fullest. Now, she has two co-hosts, Robin, It's Just Me Robin, and Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now, I have left links to all three of their channels down in my description box, along with that playlist. Please go down, visit their channels, show them some love today. Make sure you tell all three of them that Candy sent you, and make sure that you view that playlist, because I tell you, you are going to see a ton of creators participating in this collaboration. Now, what Shangie asked us to do was to include something gifted, something thrifted, and a DIY. Or multiple DIYs, and incorporate all of that into a tablescape. So you're about to view my tablescape where I've tried to incorporate all of those items. Now, I will tell you, when you get to my tablescape, you'll see some saucers with little rosebuds on them that are a part of my place settings. Those are my my thrifted items. I found those not too long ago when the thrift shops opened up, and I just love them. I think they're beautiful. They're just little china saucers, and they've got little hints of rosebuds on them. Now you're going to see a centerpiece, and around that centerpiece, you're going to see a wreath that I thrifted, or rather, I can't get this straight. That is my DIY. Also, you're going to see two little miniature crystal items that were gifted to me. One is a little crystal angel, and the other one is a tiny little crystal bell. So those are my items, and I'm going to stop talking now, let you go ahead and check out this tablescape. And as always, I'll come back at the end and just say a couple words. And guys, before I let you go, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you do that today. Hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell 2 times, and that way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So here I'm going to show to you my tablescape, which is the Gifted, Thrifted, and D's tablescape. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still with me until this point, I thank you so much for watching and staying on till the end of the video. Guys, again, I just want to give a shout out to the ladies that put this together. Again, Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest, and Tammy, Me, Myself, and DIY in it, and Robin, It's Just Me, Robin. Please make sure that you go visit all of their channels. Again, links are down in the playlist or down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure that you visit that playlist as well. And again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I hope you'll do that today and tap that notification bell 2 times. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.